You ready? If winter time comes and you think your battery went bad because it's cold out, make sure it's charging first. So you want an example. Luckily for you, somebody just dropped the car off today. So to get you guys up to speed, because she wasn't recording, she wants me, maybe she's not supposed to record during the time she's telling me what she wants me to do a video on. She wants me to do a video on winter problems, like car batteries dying, because when they get cold, usually the first real cold, they die. So this customer in this white Chevrolet truck, they're having issues. Okay, so this customer said that the car will not start. It could be a battery problem, but it's probably just a bad alternator. This battery is only 1 year old. That's a pretty good sign that it's not the battery. But it just depends what kind of year this battery had. First thing you want to do is check your voltage right here. So our voltage is reading 10.9.
Whoa.
10.9. That says 10.9, trust me. Oh, 11.1, 10.9. Okay, so then we'll just put it up to 12. We'll turn the box on. You don't have to use a jump box. You can use a multimeter. You can use a scanner tool. One thing also to remember is the side post batteries.
Got a side post? Side poster?
Got a side post. So,
oh.
a little something for you guys to know. When you have a side post battery, the best thing to do before anything else is to check these. So all you do is you grab them and you turn them. See that?
Okay.
So turn it to the right to make it tight. Now you just saw it wouldn't start. I'm putting these right back where they were. And 20 bucks says it'll start this time.
What?
Shoot, we lost a volt though. You never know. Wait, hold on. Did one fall off? Yeah, so hold on, this one fell off. These jump boxes are very old, ladies and gentlemen. But see, it started and it's not charging at all. The fact that it can't stay running is a different problem. It's idling, but very low.
Whoa.
So then, once you've checked your side posts to make sure they're tight, and then you start it and it's not charging, you look to see if there's any fuses you need to check. If I remember correctly, this has an inline fuse, but I'm just double checking. There should be one alternator fuse that's a smaller one as well. But sometimes it's not labeled alternator, it's labeled something silly. The one to feed your customer feed. Custom feed. Alright, so got a tight alternator wire, that's good. So I'm just using a jump box to check everything. You want to check this wire for voltage here. If you have a jump box like me, you can just put the positive wire on it and you'll get a reading again. It's definitely in need of an alternator and some rear brakes.
Okay.
And some front brakes. This thing's been sitting a long time. You ready? Okay, we're charging the battery up on this one. If winter time comes and you think your battery went bad because it's cold out, make sure it's charging first. Find a way to start it and verify that you're getting the voltage from the alternator. You should have at least 13.2. That is the moral of today's story. And now we're gonna do an alternator on this thing. I gotta do all these.
Meow. And over there too. Meow.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
There are cars everywhere.
Oh, and this is another Aspen we have. You've probably seen our Aspen cleaning video. If you haven't, go check it out. It sucks. But it was like one of our first videos. It was
Yeah,
fun.
Aspen.
So we got this one. It's much cleaner on the inside. It's got a bearing knock. So
Donor.
we are going to try and replace the bearings on it with the engine still in the vehicle. We'll show you. We will show you how it goes because you're gonna watch along with us. If you want to see that, like, subscribe, and then comment. Let me know you want to see it. The other two don't actually matter, but you got to do them anyways. Yeah, that's it. Keep watching. Tell us if our videos are still shitty or if they're getting better.